In this video, we're making a super clever outdoor chair that no one will be able to steal. We're starting with an old plastic barrel, something many people throw away without realizing how useful it can be. First step is cutting it into the shape of a proper chair. You'll see exactly how we cut it in the video. So follow along and take your time. Once those cuts are done, the barrel will immediately start looking like a real piece of furniture with a backrest and a comfortable seat. Now, before we move any further, it's important to put this chair exactly where you want it to stay. Because once the next steps are done, moving it again will be almost impossible. Place it in your backyard, near your plants, or wherever you want a relaxing spot to sit. Make sure the ground is level and the chair feels stable. Next comes the part that gives this chair its "nobody can steal it" feature. We need to fill the seating area of the barrel. If you think there's a chance you'll want to relocate it later, you can fill it with something lightweight like old clothing or wood ash. These won't add much weight and you'll be able to move the chair easily. But in our case, the chair is staying right here, so we're filling it with soil. Soil adds a lot of weight, making it very hard to lift. Fill the seat section completely and push the soil down firmly. The more compact it is, the better the chair will hold its shape. Now, we take another recycled piece, the bottom section of an old broken water tank. Instead of throwing the tank away, we cut off the bottom and use it like a cap. This piece goes right on top of the soil in the seating area. Press it down nicely so it stays in place. It will help keep the soil contained and provide a flat sitting surface. To lock everything in even more securely, we're adding gravel around the edge of the tank bottom where it meets the barrel. Push the gravel into gaps and pack it tightly all around. That gravel works like a natural anchor, making the whole structure more solid and preventing any wobbling or shifting. With the seat area finished and locked down, the final step is shaping the barrel so it looks like a proper chair. We cut the sides and smooth the edges to give it a better appearance and a more comfortable design. Once those cuts are done, the transformation becomes clear. This is no longer just a barrel. It's a strong, heavy, and functional garden chair that blends right into the backyard.